Salam alaikum brother. I think I know you. You're from the Ahmadiyya Jamaat, right?
Walaikum salam. Bro, I used to be part of the Ahmadiyya. But now I'm a Muslim. I left the Ahmadiyya because I found out it's a cult.
What a shame. Now you will burn in hell forever, because you have rejected the promised Messiah, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Muhammad of Qadian.
No bro, now I will go to heaven because Mirza was only the promised liar and I have accepted the true prophet of Allah, Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him.
You mullah, you lie. All you mullahs lie. Mullahs have nothing but lies. Mullahs can only lie. Lying is your job, you are paid to lie. Lying is your life, you mullah liar.
Mirza said that the name of God is Yalash. He wrote that in Tafigul page 69 in this footnote. In Ru'ani Kazan volume 22 page 106, he wrote God said I can be wrong, I can be right. Think bro, can God be wrong?
You mullah, you lie. All you mullahs lie. Mullahs have nothing but lies. Mullahs can only lie. Lying is your job, you are paid to lie. Lying is your life, you mullah liar.
In Tazkirah page 526, Mirza wrote, God told me, you are just like my son. And on page 105, he wrote, our God is made of ivory. This is kufr, bro. And shirk. Bro, have you ever read his books?
No. I have never read his books and I don't need to read his books. Because, you mullah, you lie. All you mullahs lie. Mullahs have nothing but lies. Mullahs can only lie. Lying is your job, you are paid to lie. Lying is your life, you mullah liar.